halibut here with the skin still on. I have 8 prawns, which I left the tail on. And I'm not going to do any salt or pepper on these until they're already on the grill cooking, because I don't want the fish to restrict and tighten and lose its flavor. You want all that moisture to stay in there, but we are going to cover them in olive oil. You don't have to worry about the amount of olive oil, just abundant, just enough to cover, like this. Same with the prawns. The only thing I'm going to put on the prawns at this moment is just a little bit of smoked paprika or pimenton, and just a super light dusting. Then we'll put these in the refrigerator for a couple of hours until we're ready to grill. We're gonna put the halibut skin down. We're gonna let this cook for about 4 minutes each side. And I hope we're not getting too much wind noise out here. There's like a big storm coming in. We're gonna go ahead and salt and pepper this. Now remember, we said we weren't gonna salt and pepper this until we started cooking, because we didn't want to suck all of the liquid out of the fish. So do a little pepper on that side, and then do a little pinch of sea salt on this side. Got a good 4 minutes going here. Look at that. Look at that. Let's flip it over and do a little bit of salt on here. Then we're going to do a few twists of pepper on there. I'm going to put these shrimp skewers off to the side here a little bit. Get a little bit of pepper on these guys. A little bit of sea salt on there. Okay, so we're getting pretty good here on these shrimp too. Look at that. Let's flip these guys over. Get a little pepper on these side. On that one too. A little sea salt on there. A little sea salt on there. Let's set our fish off to the side here, just to kind of keep warm a little bit. Okay, it's off the fire. We're gonna put these shrimp. Oh, look at those shrimp. Look at that. Look at those. Okay, we're gonna finish cooking these shrimp here. Okay, our shrimp are going just about done here. I think these ones here, they're ready. Okay, let's flip these guys over. They're not quite done. Man, this wind out here it's killer, guys. I mean, it's like this big storm's coming in out here. You guys want to see this? Look at this. Look. Ah, look, those trees are going. Okay, guys, we are gonna start cooking our sauce now. I'm just gonna throw this pan right here on the grill, right on the fire. Okay, we're gonna put some olive oil in here, some red onions, and let those soften up just a little bit. Hey guys, look who's here. There he is. There's Roo, the barbecue buddy. Hey Roo, what do you got to say to everyone? Look at that tail wagging. Okay, let's put in some garlic. Get that moving around in there. Okay, we got some garlic. You know, it's just a little bit of onions, just a little bit of garlic, maybe 2 cloves. We're gonna throw in some tomatoes. These are the tomatoes that we peeled earlier in the video. Oh, Roo left. He went back inside. He's scared of the wind, guys. Big tough pit bull, scared of the wind. Add a little bit of pepper. A little bit of sea salt. Not too much sea salt, because we're going to put some capers and some olives in here, and they're nice and salty. Just a little bit of sea salt in there. Alright, we got capers and green olives. A little bit of orange zest and a little bit of lemon zest. Throw it in. Just like that. Okay, give it a little stir around. Flat leaf Italian parsley, chopped. Put that in there. Let that cook. Let's get it all nice and softened up. The juice from a lemon, the juice from an orange, and yeah, that's saffron, guys. Pour that in there. We're gonna let this cook for just a few minutes. We don't want to really stew it. We just want to warm it all through. I'm going to run our seafood back over the coals just for a quick second to heat them up. Could heat these back up really quick. Alright, those are nice and heated up again. Let's throw our fish back on here for just a few seconds each side. Back on this side. We're going to plate this up, and then you guys can see what it looks like.